So you're transitioning careers or thinking about making a pivot and you're not too sure what to put on your LinkedIn profile. Should you keep it the same, update it? What should you say? In this video, I've got you covered. I'm gonna walk you through exactly how to update your LinkedIn profile, and I'm gonna walk you through the exact steps to take so that you can set yourself up for success. Are you ready? My name is Makita, career strategist and LinkedIn expert, and I've helped hundreds of people brand themselves on LinkedIn to not only make a pivot in their careers but land their next best opportunities. Because how you brand yourself plays such a critical part in making a career transition or a pivot. And I want you to remember my number one rule for career branding, and that is brand yourself for the roles that you want. So if, for example, I am transitioning from teaching into industrial design, I want to brand myself as an industrial designer. Let's see how. The first thing I want to update on my LinkedIn profile is my headline. Your headline is not only highly searchable on LinkedIn, it is also what people see before they enter your full profile. So it's so important that this section is updated when you are making a career transition. I want you to use this formula to update your headline. You're going to add your new job title or the job title that you are transitioning into. You're going to add key skills or hard skills that are related to your new career or industry. And then you're going to end your headline with a passion or a result. Let's take a look at an example. Industrial designer, UI and UX design, human-centered approach, creative analyst, excellent at translating ideas into visual appeal and seamless functionality. So this person was transitioning into industrial design. Note, they didn't brand themselves as a teacher or an educator. They branded themselves as an industrial designer. And this allows them to be searchable on LinkedIn when recruiters or employers are searching for industrial designers. This is one of the main reasons why you need to update your headline. Brand yourself for the role that you want. The next thing that you want to update is your about section. This is a summary section on LinkedIn. It could also be known as your bio on the platform. In this area, I want you to tell people about this new career or industry that you are transitioning into. How did you come about it? What made you want to make that transition or pivot? What are some projects that you've worked on that are related to that new industry? You could even talk about some key skills that you've gained or projects that you've worked on. This is a great place to tell your career story. Give people some insight into this career transition and why you are passionate about this new role. The next section that you want to update on your profile is the key skills section. If I am transitioning into industrial design, I want to make sure that I add relevant key skills that are applicable to industrial design into the key skills section of my profile. If you've taken any new courses or upskilled in a certain area, make sure that you update your courses and certifications on your LinkedIn profile as well. And last but not least, I want you to update the featured section of your profile. This is a great place to include external links to things like your website or portfolio, maybe additional media and other PDF documents that you can include to showcase that you are transitioning into a new area and that could help you build your personal brand. Always remember to brand yourself for the role that you want. I do hope that you found this video useful on how to rebrand yourself on LinkedIn when you are making a career transition. If you did, please give it a like, comment any questions that you have below this video, and I'm more than happy to answer. Download my free LinkedIn for Job Seekers starter kit, where I lay out over 15 pages of in-depth teaching and training on how you can update your profile and leverage the power of LinkedIn in your job search and as a career professional. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure that you click that subscribe button, and I will see you very soon. Bye for now.